Hello guys and welcome back to a new video with a new tutorial on Shopify. And so this video is going to be so simple and easy. Now I'll teach you a very important thing about Shopify, which is how you can add media or pictures to your products on Shopify store. So just please follow my steps one by one until we get it done. At the beginning, we need to open the browser, and you can choose any browser that you have. Google Chrome, Firefox, or even Microsoft Edge. And so I'll go here, choose my favorite one, which is Google Chrome. And now I need to go to open the search engine Google. And now once I open Google, I search for Shopify and I click enter. And here I go to this website, the official website of Shopify.com, and I click on this button. And now once I'm here in this main page of Shopify, I can start my free trial, or I can log in if I have an account or if I have an existing shop or store on this website. So in my case, I already have a shop, and then I'll go to click on login here to go to my existing shop on Shopify.com. And so as you can see here, I have this page open for Shopify.com, which is this link, admin.shopify.com-store-dcacbd. And this stands for dashboard. And so in this main page here, as you can see, we got on the left side, we have some options such as home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to add some media or pictures to your products, you need to go and click on products over here. And so in my case, I don't have any product. So we can do this manually by click on import. If you link another store or an external website to your shop, or click on add product here. And that's what we're going to do exactly in this video. So we click on add product, and then we have here the title of the product, and this is a sample, for example, short sleeve t-shirt. And this is the status of the product. Is it active or just a draft? So let's make it active and let's add a name. For example, small t-shirt. We can add, for example, 54, and this number stands for my thoughts. For example, I would like to give it the name by 54. So this has no relation with the size. And then we have the description here. I can say that 54 is the name of the t-shirt. You can add some more notes here. This is something back to you. And now here, the most important part, the media. You can click on upload new here, or you can add from a URL. An URL means link. And as you can see here, it says that media accepts images, videos, or 3D models. So I would choose images by click on upload new over here. Now once I click on upload here, you can discover all your files and choose any one of these. And now you can choose the specific media that you're looking for. So I'd go with this one, and I click on open here. Now as you can see, the media has been added successfully. Now you can go down here to the pricing, and you can start the price and compare its price with any other product. And these are some information for the trading experts. And this is the inventory. And here is the quantity. And these are some extra information about your product. And then once you're done, you click on save on this one, or save over here up to the right hand. So whenever I click on save, my media or my product will be saved with the picture. And as you can see, congratulations, you add your first product. So I can swipe down here and I can see the image, and I can click on this one to make the image more bigger to see it. Of course, this is an example. This is not a t-shirt picture, but this is only a sample to understand the tutorial. And so at the end, that was all in today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And also, if you can found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section only to let us know if the video was helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day. Thank you.